Guys, I'm going to introduce you today to the best skincare product that I've come across in the world. It's keeping my skin beautiful, radiant, and flawless. I'm an actress by profession. My name is Angana Roy, and the product that I'm talking to you today about is from Venora Organics Rejuvenator 4-in-1 Organic Gel. This is how it looks like. Okay, and this is a product. The smell is divine, and look at the color. It has got a beautiful sunshine like color to it, but it is all organic and natural. There is no synthetic or artificial fragrance or color added to it. And what I love about the product personally, that it is a massage gel, a mask, a cleanser, as well as a soap-free face wash, which means it is a 4-in-1 action-packed small package in front of you, which is so handy and useful to carry. Apply a visible layer of Rejuvenator on dry face. You can use Rejuvenator gel on your face as a makeup remover as well. Massage for 2 minutes over face and neck. Leave on as a mask for 10 to 15 minutes. Rinse off with warm water and it will turn into a milky consistency. Pat dry with clean cloth. You can see a supple, smooth, bright and rejuvenated you naturally. Use once in 2 or 3 days and use nice warm water for best results. Take 2 to 3 drops of Venora Organics Saffron plus 14 Herbs Night Repair Beauty Elixir and apply evenly on the face, around eyes and neck. Gently massage with upward strokes till it's absorbed completely. For best results, use jade as well as rose quartz roller and leave overnight. Practicing face yoga post this regime tones your face and gives a sculpted and youthful look by removing excessive fat from your facial muscles. For the yoga, puff your cheeks with air and turn your neck onto your right and then left. Repeat for 10 times. Pout your lips and look up as if you are kissing the ceiling. Hold it for 20 to 30 seconds. It will help disappear your double chin. Then finally, stretch your face towards either side. Repeat this a few times. It will also help form your neck muscle. It's a one-stop beauty solution for all your skin-related problems. You can be a man, woman of any age group and any skin type. This product will work amazingly on everyone. The ingredients in it are Manjishta, Mulethi, saffron and 30 more Ayurvedic herbs, which helps the skin to detan, rejuvenate and bring out the natural glow. For the matured skin, this will also act as an anti-aging and anti-sagging solution, and slow and gradually, if you have any sort of pigmentation around your neck and face area, it will help it to gradually reduce the same as well. It's a beautiful blend of traditional Ayurveda from India and advanced organic skincare technique from UK and Australia. So this is a one-stop solution. You don't need to visit, expensive parlor treatment or skin treatment. Few times a week and this will take care of all your skin related issues. So you just need a few minutes out of your busy schedule to use this magical product on your skin, which will take care of all your skin related issues. So don't go by my words. Get yourself one and feel the difference on your skin. Now they are available on their website venoraorganics.com and also easily available on Amazon and Flipkart. Don't forget to also check out their page on Facebook and Instagram for a clean, green, sustainable beauty solution.